p.m. this afternoon to 8 p.m. this evening. A wind advisory has also been issued. This wind advisory is in effect from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. this evening for the following counties in Ohio. Logan and Shelby. A strong cold front will cross the area this afternoon. High wind gusts will occur along and immediately after the front passes. Strong wind gusts will continue into the evening before diminishing. West winds of 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour are possible. High winds will bring down trees and power lines. Lightweight objects such as trash cans and deck furniture should be secured. Use extreme caution while driving, especially when cross bridges and overpasses.